In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring meeting in Calendly. By the end, you'll have a reliable, repeatable schedule that people can book without you having to set it up each time. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're in, look for the Scheduling tab. This is where you control when you're available, and it's the foundation for creating a recurring pattern that fits your routine. Open an existing schedule if you already have one that you'd like to adjust, or create a new schedule if you want to keep this recurring meeting separate from your other availability. Creating a dedicated schedule is often helpful if this series has a specific cadence, like only on certain weekdays or within certain hours. Inside the schedule, go to the availability section. Think of this as the place where you define the exact times Calendly can offer to your invitees. Click the pencil icon to edit the availability. This opens the detailed controls you'll need. Before setting up your recurrence, clear any default weekly availability shown on the left. This step is important. If you leave the defaults in place, Calendly may continue offering times every week, even outside the specific recurring times you intend. Clearing them gives you a clean slate, so the only times offered are the ones you explicitly define. Next, click Add Date-Specific Hours. This lets you specify exactly which days and times you want to open for bookings, rather than relying on broad weekly rules. Choose the days you want this meeting to occur, such as Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then add the time slots you're comfortable with. You can create one or multiple time windows for each of those days, depending on how your schedule flows. Keep your time zone in mind here. It's best to confirm it's correct so your invitees see the right options. Now set the date range for the recurrence. You can make it run for a specific period, like the next 3 months, or set it to continue indefinitely if you want this series to be ongoing. Using a defined range is useful if you anticipate your schedule changing later. Once everything looks right, click Apply to confirm your recurring schedule. Take a moment to review the calendar preview so you can see exactly what your invitees will see. If you ever need to adjust the days, time slots, or date range, simply return to the same availability area, click the pencil icon again, and update your settings. That's all there is to it. Your recurring meeting times are now live and ready to book.